Hey guys, I'm Amaroth and now we will take a look at 010 editor, which is quite nice editor and we will be using it quite a lot whenever it comes to MTUs, WMOs and another files which are quite complicated and we don't have very dedicated editors for them, at least for some of them. So how to get it? Well, it is a software which can be downloaded, so you can download it like this, 010 editor download, and you can download it from Sweetscape. It is a trial version for 30 days. So download your version for your uh, operating system, install it, and then you can run it. Well, as you can see, 30 days left, so you can always prolong it by using those in tools, other 010 in this folder. You can see those two .rec scripts. So you can run unblacklist and then unrec, and by running those two scripts, you will get your 30 days to trial version back, so it will get prolonged. Well, now how to use it? Let's get some example file first. Any M2 for example. Well, you can just open it here, and as you can see there is huge amount of data and you can't really tell what is what here. The only thing you can recognize are the paths to textures probably. So that's where what template is for. When you go to templates, you can view installed templates here and add a new template here. And here in tools under 010, you can find Modcraft templates downloaded from Modcraft website. And for MTUs, I would recommend you to use this author's MTU template. So you can just place some templates you have here or create your own templates if you are capable of doing that. But if you can create MTU template, you probably don't need this tutorial anyway. So add your templates you are frequently using here. So you can just run a template from this menu. So I have used this template and it has created this window here, and I can open the structure here. And as you can see, it has divided that file and it has added to these bytes names. So I now know what is what for, and so on. So I can browse it, take a look at those values here. You can see that it is. So now I know that this is a model name, for example, and so on. And it has done even more. When we take a look at, for example, render flags, as you can see, it has even given us options which are, viable, which are possible. So we can select some of those options, we can choose some flags and so on. So this will be very important for us whenever we will be working with MTUs or sometimes with WMOs as well, and sometimes with some another files as well. So these are templates. Well, scripts are for making something very quickly. So you can just prepare some script and then run it again and again and again. And you will edit them here by the same way. Just view installed scripts, add some script, browse for your scripts. And for example, I have here those two scripts I will give to you in my toolpack as well. One is for game objects and one is for items, and you will meet with them in my M2 tutorial, in my basics of M2 tutorial. So again, you just add them here, click on OK, and you get them here. When it comes to scripts, well, you can edit them, right? You can just open them in WordPad or in Notepad or in any other text editor. And if you've got at least some basics of programming, you can guess how is this working. You can find some 010 programming lessons, so you can learn to do this. But it's very simple. Alright, as you can see, run template. It's easy to guess what is doing this, so it will use Aster M2 template. As you can see, it will do some for cycle and so on, so on. And as you can see, it also saves a file, which means that you don't have to save file by hand after using this script. So you don't have to always use template, run script, and save file. You can just run script and it will do everything for you on its own. So those were scripts, those were templates, the 010 editor, just basics so you know how to use this tool, and that's pretty much it. So thanks for watching guys, I hope this was useful for you, and happy